breaking update of what we are learning in the grenade attack that was reported in Amritsar. Now, according to news reports that suggest that the accused have been killed in an encounter, the probe that is now underway as far as already the Pakistan link was something that was talked about right after this incident was reported, and the accused, it is being said, has been killed by the police. So that is the information that is now coming across as far as the explosive that was thrown at Amritsar Thakurdwara temple right after, when it comes to this incident that was reported by the Chief Minister, saying that there were many attempts were made to disturb the peace in the state. That was the statement that came in from Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. Let's get in a word from Pavit. Pavit, the accused in the case have been killed. Can you tell us more information, exactly what had happened, sequence of events, please?
So exactly a few days back, an incident took place where a hand grenade was thrown at a temple in Amritsar, and on Monday morning, the police parties got a tip from the villagers that both the accused in those incidents, the motorcycle that was used and the accused who were identified later, that those were roaming around in the Rajansi area of the Amritsar. After receiving the tip from the villagers and from the sources, the police parties were sent there. The CIA Amritsar was sent there, where a brief encounter took place in which the first accused, who is said to be Gursiddak alias Sidki, was killed, while his accomplice Vishal alias Chui, who managed to escape. Gursiddak was taken after the brief encounter. Gursiddak was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to the injuries, but the other alias, who is known as with the name who goes by the name of Chui, has managed to escape, but the investigation is still going on. Search operation has been launched in the area so that the accused, because it is being said that the accused won't be able to run far, so the police parties, be it in plain shirted clothes or be it in the uniform, all the parties have been searching for the accused as of now.
All right, so one dead, the other one on the run is the information that is now coming across. As far as the information came in from that CCTV footages that you can see on your screens of two motorcycle-borne masked men who were captured on CCTV footage lobbing an object that was suspected to be an explosive at the temple after midnight. However, one of them has been killed. Encounter action being reported. The other one is said to be on the run. Pavit, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in.